Hey guys, it's Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to film like a little vlog. I want to make some cupcakes. I'm doing cupcakes. It is 2 o'clock right now. I have to do this before my mom gets here because she'll get mad if we turn on the oven at this time. But anyways, I want to make cupcakes. So I'm gonna make cupcakes. I'm gonna make like rainbow cupcakes. I used to do this all the time. Oh, that's so funny. They literally have rainbow cupcakes on the back of this box. But yeah, I used to make these cupcakes all the time in like high school, but I haven't made them in a while. I was gonna do something like this for my gender reveal, but I ended up not doing it, just ended up buying cupcakes. So we have like a lot of cake mix. I think I have like 2 or 3 cake mix boxes. So I'm gonna do it right now. So we have pink, so I have purple, pink, turquoise, and orange. I'm gonna mix like all those. Let's get started because I haven't made these in a really long time, so hopefully they turn out good. It said to put 3 large egg whites, but I did 3 large eggs, so that's why it turned yellow. Okay, so a tip for doing this next step, I'm going to plastic cups, plastic bowls, anything plastic, so you can just throw it away because you're going to use multiple bowls unless you want to do more dishes than that. I'm going to use, so I have 4 colors, so I have 3 cups, and then I'm going to use the bowl that it's in. So I'm going to evenly distribute into, I'll try to evenly distribute in each cup. So, especially if you're doing it with kids, but I'm an adult, so I know what I'm doing. I'm just kidding. Okay, so the cupcakes are now in the oven. They're gonna take about 18 minutes to cook. I wanna show you guys my belly. So I am 26 weeks. It's Friday. I change weeks every Wednesday. So look at my belly. Like I'm real pregnant now. I even have like a little, what is this line called? And then I used to have my belly button pierced. That's why I have this little dot right there. But my belly at 26 weeks. I don't know, I thought about doing a like second trimester update because I'm gonna be almost, I think, in my 3rd trimester. I gotta check what date or how many weeks is the 3rd trimester, but yeah, I feel like I'm towards like the end. I have like 3 more months or so until I have her. I'm so freaking excited. I can't wait to have her. Yeah, so I was thinking about doing like an update on like my cravings, my symptoms, what I'm feeling, how I'm feeling, how this pregnancy is going. 2nd trimester, I just want to say, is like a dream. Well, for me it is. Like literally it feels like I feel normal, but now that I'm getting bigger, girl, I run out of breath. I can't move in my bed, right? Like sometimes it's a lot. But yeah, so as you get bigger, you start to feel more pregnant. So I definitely do feel more pregnant than obviously when I first found out I was pregnant. But yeah, I don't know, I kind of want to make a video like that, but I don't know. Do you guys think that is interesting to watch? Because I really don't watch videos like that really. I really just like the family vlogs or like the day in the lives. I like watching day in the lives. Those are pretty cool to watch. But anyways, I'm waiting for my cupcakes. That's my #1 craving right now is cupcakes. I really like, there's this place called Nadia's Cupcakes, and they make like homemade cupcakes. It's like a small little cupcake shop. Oh my god, their cupcakes are so good, and I've been wanting that like more than anything. I used to like really crave cookies, but I haven't been wanting a cookie. But they did have a cookie. It was a chocolate chip cookie cupcake, and it was really good. And I also got a cinnamon roll cupcake, and that was so good. But yes, I've been wearing my boyfriend's shirts too because they've been like the most comfortable to wear. It is so hard to get dressed when you're pregnant. Like sometimes you just don't feel pretty, especially for like my clothes. Like I don't fit any of my clothes like pre-pregnancy. All those like shirts are so small. I mean, there's like a few tank tops and stuff, but they're more like tight fitting, and I really don't want anything tight around my belly, even around my waist, like tight, what's it called, leggings and stuff. No thank you. I don't want any of that. I want everything to be loose. I love PJ pants. My biker shorts are my go-to, and I think I have like one pair of leggings that are not too tight. Like some of the leggings are just too tight to wear throughout the day, and I don't feel comfortable wearing them all day. So yes, and I don't really want to buy any more clothes, like maternity clothes, because I mean I have 3 more months left and I'm gonna stay home anyways, so I don't really need to buy like so much stuff. But afterwards I'll definitely be getting me some new outfits and stuff, hopefully. What else is going on? Oh yeah, so for baby shower planning, we do have a lot of the decorations. Me and my sister, we went to the store. I'm gonna do like a video on like baby shower decorations just so you guys can see what we bought. Like I'm gonna do like kind of a whole dedicated video for that. But anyways, we bought a few things for the baby shower. Baby shower is this month on the 23rd, so it's October 1st today as I'm filming this. I do have some pre-recorded videos, so you guys might see this video a little later. But anyways, it's October 1st for me today. I need to find me and my boyfriend something to wear for the baby shower. Since it's in like a weird time for us, it's still really hot where we live, like as of now, but later it is starting to get a little cooler. And honestly, I don't know if I should get a dress, if I should get like a long sleeve dress or what, or like off the shoulder. Like it might be cold, but it might not be that cold, if that makes sense. So I'm struggling on like figuring out what I want to wear. So hopefully I find something soon. I don't know if I want to order from like Amazon, Fashion Nova. I got my gender reveal outfit from Fashion Nova. I just got like a really long dress, and they have like a lot of cute like bodycon dresses, but I don't know if I want to wear a bodycon dress. Like I'm just like so confused on what I want to really wear. So I'm hoping I find something soon, because otherwise I'm gonna have to actually go to a store and buy one because shipping is gonna take too long. So this will be like the perfect time to get something shipped to me. I'll be able to try it on, see if it fits, things like that. So yeah, I've been looking into that. Bow business, I just released some new bows, super cute items. So excited. I did do the knot turban hats. I want to show you guys them because these ones aren't released yet. I'm making them, they're gonna be released I believe next week. I'm trying, let me see, I'm trying to do like releases every week. We'll see how that goes, but look how cute. So I have a white one, we have a pink ribbed one, and we have a cheetah one so far. So I've been working on these to be released next week, and I just have newborn ones right now, but we're gonna have this green color. If it focuses on the green one. We have this like rust color. This is more of like the brick color, I believe, because the rust color is in the ribbed material. These are the difference between the two. So this one looks more like brick red and this looks more like orangey to me. So that's the difference between those two. We're gonna have this black one. I know it's hard to see the black on camera. It's always hard to see black on camera. And we also have this, what color do you guys say this is? I never know what color, like it looks purple, but it's like a, I just say muted purple, but it's more like a purple dark gray, if that makes, it's around like purple and gray, I believe. So yes, those should be released next week. I'm so excited about those. They are like, I'm so obsessed with those hats. I think they look so cute on little babies. Right now I just have the newborn sizes, but I am hoping to get like a 3, it's gonna be like a 1 size, but they're gonna fit probably like 3 to 6 months around that age group, because I don't want to make like too big of ones. I don't want too much of a variety. I'm like want just like baby sizes only. As of right now, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yes, that's what's new in the shop. I believe that's all I really have to update you guys on. So I'm gonna come back when my cupcakes are done so I can show you guys the inside and what they look like. And we're gonna do like a little taste test because I'm so excited to eat those. Look how big they got. They look so pretty. I'm gonna cut one open. I like to eat one when they're fresh out the oven. I think it's so good when it's like nice and hot. So I'm gonna cut one open. So this one is freshly hot. I don't know why my cupcakes always come out kind of flat. I don't know. Maybe I mixed it too much. I don't know. And they'll all like turn out a little different if you mix, well obviously if you mix the colors differently, but let's taste it. So good. I'm not a big frosting person, so I'll eat them like this. Yeah, they're so good. And they look so pretty. They're very squishy. These are so freaking good. That is so good. Alright, I'm gonna get some milk and I'm probably gonna eat another one.